Boom. Oh, that's pretty high up, isn't it? Don't be in the shot, please. Boom! Yes, lighting is perfect. Let's make a video. What's going on, everyone? It's me, Kaf, at Kaf_official_Insta, and I'm back with another review for you. And especially you. And it is the... Let's just get straight into it. Boom! 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 Tick, 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 tick. The Yeezy 350 V2 London exclusive Antlia reflective Boost 350 V2 Antlia yeah, I said the model, innit? Yeezy Boost 350 Antlia reflective London UK exclusive.
Boom.
For your boy. Right, and this shoe is dope. It's dope. In fact, it's
Yoga fire.
And with this shoe, you could drop a couple of
Tiger uppercut.
outfits. Yeah, that's right. Now, let's get straight into the shoe because there's not much really to talk about in terms of history around technology. You all know what you're getting with the Yeezy 350 V2, so let's just get straight into it. So, the upper is a one component sock bootie. That, I believe, is the technical term. So essentially the whole upper is one component. There's no multiple panels. It's just one prime knit upper with some additional padding on the inner lining. And yeah, that's about it. So the prime knit upper, this time around, you've got this Antlia yellow color, which is a couple of shades darker than the Butters. I've got to admit, it's not a ridiculous transition from the Yeezy Butters 350. However, it's completely noticeable, immediately noticeable that it's more yellow than the Butters. Now, the prime knit consists of the Antlia prime knit, and then you have like a grayish type olive tone, which is the reflective prime knitted into the upper. So, as you'll see from the close-up shots I've done, the prime knit has been woven together with the Antlia colored prime knit. That's a lot of prime knit I've just said. You've also got the rope laces that are also reflective. Then you've got the traditional outsole that is a sort of tanned, sort of ghost tan, I want to call it, with the boost cage behind it. And then the sort of midsole is the Antlia color again, but just more pale. On the inner lining, you've got the usual Yeezy with the Adidas trefoil leaf. And like I said, 3 straps on the heel counter on the inner line, on the inner 3 stripes that are also reflective on the inner lining of the sock liner. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And some padding for your ankles. This shoe is dope. This shoe is fire. Not much more to really say. Oh, how could I forget? You've got the translucent stripe going along where normally the Supplier 350 would be on the other 350 V2 models. What do I think? I think I've already said what I think about this shoe. It is really dope. I'm extremely privileged and blessed and grateful to be able to get these for retail. I'll throw up some on-feet shots for you whilst I'm talking about my opinion of this shoe, just to let you know what it kind of looks like on feet. I haven't done the on-feet shots lately just because I've been lazy, but I figured people say that I'm able to wear a lot of shoes that they wouldn't try to wear. My whole response to that is you can wear anything as long as you've got the right outfit, the right shorts, the right jeans, the right chinos, the right trousers, the right skirt if you like that sort of thing, the right romper if you like that stuff, the right boiler suit, the right dungarees. Anything can be pulled off. You just got to have a bit of self-confidence and not really care what other people think. But my dress style is really traditional jeans, hoodie, the skater look with the long hoodies and the ripped jeans. That's my comfort zone. Every now and then you'll see me in a pair of combat trousers like you've seen on feet. And this whole sort of Shoreditch, Dalston sort of trendy hipster type thing. I am a fan of that as well. But yeah, they were difficult, they were limited, they're a regional exclusive. I believe America have got the, Ludmark coming out, and then there's another one. But honestly, if you don't know by now, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. The news about these has been out there. They've dropped, they're sick. I'm excited to see what Yeezy's going to do for the rest of the year. There's meant to be another 350 coming out in September called the Citrin, and there's another one, I think it's Cloud White. You've also got a white and gum 500 dropping soon. I think that'll be a very, very clean pair of shoes for the autumn season. And yeah, for all those that were saying Yeezy are dead, yeah, then definitely not. And for all those saying that they're tired of the 350 boost V2 model, stop trying to cop it then. Stay fly.